Alright guys, recording on the DJI goggles started. Alright, so we're gonna stand right there, right by that color white thing. Yeah, really cold, really cold. And yeah, I'm just gonna try flying, and we'll see if I'll be able to we'll be able to see if the battery will last longer. All right, cool guys. Wow, that was so scary, guys. That was really scary. I had multiple RXLOSS. I don't know if it was a fake RXLOSS because I was still able to control it. Yeah, guys. I don't know. I was using a static 250 hertz packet rate. So I'm not sure if that could have caused the RXLOSS issue. But then it didn't trigger the GPS rescue. Yeah, the return to home. Yeah, guys, I'm quite scared at that point. I went past beyond the water tower. So yeah, guys, at 250 hertz. At 250 hertz. That was scary. Maybe I should switch back to 50 hertz. What do you think? I'm gonna review the how do you call this? The logs from my radio. I have it enabled. So the battery held well by the belt, by the strap. And I don't know, guys, we'll see. RXLOSS, and then the lowest bit rate on the goggles after the water tower was like 18 megabits per second. That's like 3 kilometers away. Anyways, guys, let's go home. Later.